Here I have iPhone 17 and let me show you how to turn on and off new full screenshot preview. Let's begin. Alright, so as you can see now, when you take a screenshot on your new iPhone 17, you will see like the whole full preview. And if you would like to go back to the previous preview, you have to use the following steps. Let's open the settings, scroll down to General, scroll down again, choose Screen Capture, and here you can enable or disable full screen preview. Let me disable it. Now when you capture screen, you will see a preview in the left down corner. It's like in the old version of iOS, so it can be useful if you are used to the following preview. Let me use it again. As you can see, you can tap it and have the full preview, or you can skip it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.